We've answered these questions all the time. Keratherapy, what makes us different? Truly the support that we give, the brand that we have, the products that we have. We have taken it on the chin with cost, but we are not compromising our high quality ingredients. It has literally doubled for us in cost. And if you see, we have not raised our prices insanely. Very, very, very minor compared to the cost that we're getting hit because we want to stay in that $30 range. The new product guide. So this is the product guide front page that you guys are going to get. This is our retail comparison guide. So all the shampoos and conditioners lined up, all of them compared, all the leave-ins and descriptions and benefits and everything that you need to know about them. That way, when somebody says, hey, why would I use this or that? Now, the blonde one is pretty simple, or the volume one is pretty simple, but every one of them has its own little niche. And on the back page is not only the leave-in comparison, but the styling comparison down there, or the descriptions. So perfect little piece of material that you can hand out. This one has always been popular, the market potential sheet. It really breaks down for the salon. I see it's a little wordy, but if they take the second, or if you explain to them what this sheet is, it blows them away how much a bottle can make them. $10,000 for one bottle, that's a home run. If you can explain that to them and show them this math and everything else. And then on the back page is the treatment comparison. And it basically shows whether it's vegan or formaldehyde free, or if there's a wait time or anything like that. Our formaldehyde free products, if they use it, yes, they need to wait 2 weeks before or after a color service. But the formaldehyde treatments, no, right after the color service, you can do it right away. Just a little snippet. Next year coming is our Brazilian X1. We're not making too much noise in it this year, but you will see it next year, and we'll let you know. It's basically just a step up of our pure renewal with extra prolist and extra ingredients in there. It's going to be like a Brazilian renewal at that top level for pure renewal, and it's just costlier for us. That's the big difference. But it is going to be our new product, and that is coming soon. It is going to be formaldehyde free also. And this one is going to include the Nanoplastya technology, the hair Botox technology, because that's the added factor to this new treatment.
So MJ, is this page, the market potential sheet, and the
Yeah.
previous few pages, is that going to be in the material we're getting in our boxes?
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
awesome. That's
Yeah,
perfect.
yeah. You're gonna love it, and I love the feedback that Richard just gave. So I'm so glad about it, and hope you guys love it too. Product guide right here, and we just go through simple stuff: keratin, why, Keratherapy, our collections. We always take pride in our nice, colorful collections. Wanted to kind of stand out always from the other brands where they stick with one color or just a few products. And hence hit the fact that we're not just a smoothing treatment line. We're definitely a retail and home care line also. And we surpassed those numbers for treatments with the retail and home care a few years ago. So now we are definitely doing percentage wise more retail home care than treatments. But that doesn't mean treatments is reducing. That just means we're doing a lot more retail and home care. And this kind of will explain it all when people, flip between page to page. They see the collections, they see what we're focusing on, and then they see even the color concealer collection. This one has been very good. Once I take this camera off, I'll show you my hair again. I used the fiber thickener, and it's amazing. We have our travel sizes. That has also been very good. I've been doing a lot of samples with those sachets and holiday bundles are there. Your tools, the iron has been a great opener, and so we're gonna, definitely do that next year also. And if we have to, in the middle of it all, I know we have not had it in our intro deal sheets, but if we have to throw it in there, we will, and we will do it exclusively only for Salon Center, and we'll print something for you guys. I know someone did it. I don't want to mention his name or anything, but someone did it, and it worked out great. So, got to do that too. And then our color lock is in there. Our formaldehyde free treatments are in there, and then formaldehyde treatments are in there, and that's it. And just to show my hair right there, that has color and fiber in it. And Works great, and a lot of salons like it because they can sell it as an upsell, so that their client's not going to run to them when it starts growing out just a little bit, right? They're going to want it to grow out more so that they can do the touch up. And this is a perfect in between option for them. Thank you very much for letting me show you our new brochures. Can't wait for you to get them. And yes, you'll probably get them passed out quickly. So whoever needs more, happy to do it.